Hello everyone, welcome back to Chemistry CC for you. So I know it's been a very long time since I have uploaded a video. I'm really sorry I got caught up in my PhD work and it was unavoidable for the last few weeks to work. So I did not get the time to do the videos, but hereafter, today onwards, I'll be continuously doing the videos like the previous month. So I have taken, if you remember, I have taken a poll on what are the videos that you people wanted. So the most number of requests have come for jobs in chemistry. So I'll be doing this video in different parts. So in the part one, I'll be talking about the jobs that you could get after BSc chemistry. So after BSc chemistry, what are the jobs? So in this video, things that we are going to discuss is what are the job titles that are available, in which are the industries that you could apply, and what are the things that you could do during your BSc time to increase your chances of getting hired in a company during the just after your BSc itself. So shall we begin? Okay, let's begin now. So the BSc chemistry jobs, we can say if you're purely going to pursue a career in chemistry based industries, then the industries like petrochemical industries, paint and other pharma industries, these kinds of industries will be open for you people because these are strictly chemistry based jobs and you will have a lot of opportunities in these kinds of industries. Then the second type is government jobs related to chemistry. I'll be talking about what are these government jobs and all in the coming slides. So here, so first of all, you have some industries like petrochemical and other chemical related industries, which is outside the government sector, which is the private sector. And also you have government jobs related to chemistry. Apart from this, if you do not want to follow your career once you complete your BSc chemistry, if you're not interested in having a strictly chemistry based job, then you have multiple other options like civil service, bank jobs, railways, and other jobs which are not related to chemistry. So regarding this, I'll be doing one another video that is which are chemistry not related to chemistry. Today we are strictly talking about jobs which are related to the subject of chemistry. Also, other option is to go for your higher education because MSc, doing a master's in chemistry, could always enhance your chances of getting hired in a very better position in a highly reputed firm. So always I would suggest that you should complete your master's, but still there are a lot of opportunities that you can grab once you are a BSc chemistry undergraduate itself. Let's talk about the available job titles here. So you can see there are a vast number of job titles available for you, starting from chemist, pharma chemist, lab assistant, lecturer. So let me talk about this lecturer thing. So lecturer mainly is based upon coaching institutions. So if you are good in your BSc chemistry with high marks and with very good communication skills, then there are private coaching institutions which will hire you as a lecturer. This will be a part-time job mainly, but still after BSc chemistry you could apply for this as a way to increase your experience. Then there is toxicologist, biochemist when you have BSc in biochemistry, then pharmaceutical sales executive, then technical writer. Technical writer, this is an extremely important thing because academic and technical writer jobs, these can be done only when you are specialized in a particular subject. So if we can never expect a BCom student to write something technical in a chemistry related article or a book or any even science related books for children. So technical writing is also very important, and that option is open to most of the people, those who are completing the BSc chemistry. And there are many other jobs like junior chemist, junior analyst, metallurgical assistant, field executive. Then if you're taking the government sector, there is laboratory assistant, which is of the PSC or the Public Service Commission. Then in government medical colleges, etc., you have this lab technician. Then if you are done the BSc in forensic chemistry, then you'll have a job of demonstrator, then medical data entry operator. And also you can this junior research fellow, this one actually if you are doing BSc not in pure chemistry, but if you have any interdisciplinary BSc, then that case you can apply for this as well. And actually there are many other jobs that you are totally unaware of. Like there is a job in called coffee taster. So if you don't know, I'll talk about it. So coffee taster is a job where you have to actually identify the this is a particular job where you requires the knowledge of chemistry, and it is open to people who have done BSc chemistry. So there are multiple unknown job opportunities about which we will talk in the next series of this particular the next video of this particular series. Today we are talking about only the common job titles available for students those who have completed BSc chemistry. So these are certain job titles which are available for you. Now let's talk about some advantages if you are jumping into doing a job directly during your just after your BSc chemistry. So let's see what are the advantages. The first advantage is an early job experience. So if you are starting your career just after your undergraduate completing your undergraduate degree, it is going to enhance your experience a lot, because you are in the learning phase and you directly jump onto a job. So as you move forward in your life, you can change positions, and once you gain experience, you can get more and more opportunities if you are starting your career earlier. Secondly, if you are thinking about going for higher studies sometime in the future, this gives some financial stability for you. You could independently go for your higher studies by doing some job in the early years just after completing your BSc in chemistry. Thirdly, there are immense numbers of options to continue higher education if you choose appropriate industry. So in many of the industries related to chemistry, once you start your job, after some years, like there will be a mandatory work, like you have to work for 2 years compulsorily, and then after that you could apply for higher education and you could go for your masters. So this kind of an option is also available for you people. So these are the advantages of starting early in your career. Then there are some disadvantages because it is highly competitive. If you think about it, once people complete BSc, most of the students might not go forward in the career. Like they will just complete they'll just stop at the BSc level itself and focus on government jobs and other, like which are not subject specific, but just the just the any graduate job. So in that case, there will be a lot of competition for these jobs, but there will be a creamy layer of people, those who are going to the masters, and there will be even more little number of people who are going to PhD. So as the educational qualification increases, the number of students applying for a particular job position which requires that that as the educational qualification will be less. So this is highly competitive because a lot of students are doing basic chemistry, and that many students will be seeking jobs as well. Secondly, sometimes the salary might be very low, like 8 to 10 lakhs per annum. We have no guarantee that you will be getting very high salary just with a BSc degree. So that is a very huge blow, because most of you, those who are going to do the jobs directly, you might require a lot of, you might be expecting a good salary, but that might not be possible with just a graduate degree without a master's. Then next, you might not directly get a job in private industries without masters, because since according to the first point, since it is highly competitive, they want people those who are extremely extremely qualified and also experienced with the analytical techniques and even the knowledge of the job that they are going to do. So they will prefer people with masters, where you get hands-on experience in many more techniques. So I'll be telling about some points that you could follow during your BSc to increase your chance of getting hired towards the end of this video. Next, let's talk about some government jobs that you could apply for. Mainly, you can apply for the lab assistant, lab technician, junior chemist, junior analyst, etc. for the public service commissions in the state. like state-wise government jobs as well as central government jobs that you could apply. So for this, you should always register for the register in whatever public service commission um, like portals you have. You should register it soon after you are completing 12th standard itself or even 10th standard itself, and update your educational qualification over time so that you get notifications of the jobs that are available for your BSc chemistry level. So these are the jobs that you could apply in generally you could apply with a BSc chemistry. Secondly, you have a job title named junior metallurgical assistant in railways. I think they are giving the they give out the option of this every year, but I don't know how many people actually apply for this job. So this is also a very important thing. BSc chemistry is the qualification of this job, so it would be good if you people take a look at this and start to apply for this particular position. Then there is FACT, field executive. So this is also a very it might be a tiresome job, but still it would be a very reputed, it is a very reputed place, and so getting a job in this industry will be really boosting out your career. Then in DRDO you have the post of senior technical assistant B. So this also has only BSc chemistry as the qualification. Apart from this, in ISRO also you have, that is Indian Space Research Organization also, there are certain positions which are extremely important for only, and also it will be for BSc chemistry people. So scientific assistant in ISRO, this is also a very prestigious, this is a very prestigious government institution. So in Indian Space Research Organization also you have a post called scientific assistant, which is technically only for the BSc chemistry graduates. So you could apply for all these positions just with your BSc chemistry degree in the government sector. So there are multiple other jobs even in the government sector, about which I'll cover in the next video. So these are very prominent jobs that you could apply just after your BSc chemistry. Now let's take a look at main pharma and chemical companies like SRF Limited, IGL Businesses, Reliance Industries, Gujarat Fluorochemicals, GHCL, then the chemicals, BASF, Cipla, Solar Industries, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. So these are all very prominent private sector industries where you could apply for the pharma and chemical based, these are the pharma and chemical based company where you could apply just after your BSc chemistry. Now you might be wondering how you could apply, like how would you come to know that there is a job vacancy. So first thing, government job notification. For this, primarily what you have to do is, like I said in the beginning of the video, you have to register in all the government job portals that that belongs to a particular state or even the central government, so that you would understand the procedure to apply, and also you'll get notifications when there is a vacancy. So that is the primary thing to do. Secondly, you should actually visit some job providing website. I mean the main, not job providing, I will say the job vacancy providing websites. Like they'll be giving the advertisements in these like Naukri, Monster India, LinkedIn, etc. So you should go and visit, and Indeed.co.in. So these kinds of website you could just go and visit, or a mere Google search would do, but you should thoroughly search with your qualification to see whether there is a post like that or not. Then thirdly, in railways specifically, you could always go through their portal to see whether you can apply for this particular, is there any position that you could apply. Then secondly, check out for the industries that you're interested in. So for example, if you're interested in the company called Sun Pharma, go and check out their website to see whether they are having a vacancy which is suitable for you. So for this, what you need is, you should have a thorough knowledge of where are the positions that you could apply for. So I have already covered what are the positions you could apply for, and I have also named many industries that you could apply for. So now you might get an idea like where you have to look out for the vacancies. So please go and check out the list, and if you have any other industries in mind, I might include those in the coming videos. Then some hacks to increase the chances of BSc jobs. So what you could do is, for chemistry related industries, experience and hands-on hands-on experience on techniques is so important. So when you're doing your BSc in chemistry, try to apply for summer projects in good institutes and even in industries to enhance your analytical skills. So in rubber based industries and all these positions, you could actually apply for some summer projects where you could really enhance your hands-on experience on chemical industry based techniques, so that you could produce that as an proof of your experience when you are trying to get into a particular industry. Secondly, always try to join for an internship in some industry or some chemistry firm soon after your BSc for an year. Again, the sole purpose of doing this is to increase your experience. Then finally, prepare for the government jobs during your BSc level itself. So these are 3 hacks that could increase the chances of your BSc chemistry based jobs, because many people would start to prepare for the jobs once they are completing their BSc chemistry. But if you start early, it would be earlier. Preparing earlier is always better. So try to start in the early stages, so that you could enhance your chances of getting hired or getting or qualifying a particular examination required. Now, back to some government jobs, the government jobs position. I have three more things to say. So for this positions, for the scientific assistants in ISRO and the DRDO post of senior technical assistants, you have written exam. So for these 2 positions, and apart from, for all the government, also for this lab assistant, lab technician, all these positions, you will be having written examination. So we'll be doing a series in which we will be covering the topics that are required for BSc chemistry based government job examination. So this is going to be a new series. So with the jobs in chemistry, I'm going to introduce the new video series that we are going to do, which is a chemistry series for government jobs. For both BSc level and MSc level, we'll be doing for both, but primarily we'll be starting with the BSc level, because many of you are interested in going to job directly after your BSc. Now so that's all for today. I am going to, there are a lot more jobs like in the rubber industries and other polymer industry. So I'll be talking about all those in the part 2 of this video. If you need any more information than what I have discussed, or if you have any suggestion on what I should include in the jobs in chemistry videos, you could tell me in the comment section below. And also, if you people require any other videos immediately, just message me in the comment section. And I know I haven't replied for many of your comments, but I'll do that soon. Like I said in the beginning, I was caught up in some work, and even in Instagram and Facebook also, I have got so many messages, and I'm extremely sorry that I couldn't reply to you, but I'll do that soon. So till then, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all your support for the channel. See you soon, and I'll be doing all the other videos that we have already discussed in the poll. Keep preparing and always try to aim higher, so that you could get the better in your life. Thank you so much. Bye.